To include textures in a USDZ file, you need to use Blender 3.6. With previous versions, this doesn't seem to work well. Also, you must use a principled node for materials and textures, and you shouldn't use any nodes other than image to load textures and normal to convert the normal texture for principled. If the material needs to be transparent, you must set alpha to 0 or use an alpha image texture in the principled node. Once done, you need to choose File Export USD. The Export Textures box should be checked by default. When writing the output file name, you need to manually change the extension to USDZ. So, to recap, materials with the principled node only. Image textures only. Use image and normal map nodes only. Alpha set to 0 or image texture in the alpha channel for transparent materials. Manually rename the file extension to USDZ with Export Textures box checked.